Here are 5 introductory vector questions, which I quite like. They're a bit of an oddball mix, and I think some of them are quite unusual, so hopefully they'll help your learning. While I've been talking, maybe you've been looking at the screen, having a go at the question. Pause the video if you want more time. Okay, C is a multiple of A. Why is that? That's the answer, because they go in the same direction. Look, that's going in that direction, and that's going in that direction. B is not going in the same direction as A. D is not going in the same direction. If it's going to be a multiple of A, it must mean that it's like some A's added together. The position doesn't matter, but the direction does. Hence, that's the answer. Have a go at this in your own time. How could we make this true? Well, the answer is to put a D there, because then we're going from A to B, and then from B to F, which means we've basically gone from A to F, and then from F to and then from F to D, which means we've basically gone all the way from A to D, which is the same as this one was. So that's how it maybe taught you a little bit about how we write about vectors. Have a go. Can you complete this to make it true? What would we add to A to make 0? Answer, we'd add D, because they go in opposite directions. So if you start here, that's A, and then that's B, which means you just ended up back where you started. Got 4 true or false questions here, so decide whether each one's true or false. Obviously pause the video if you like. Is A equal to E? A equals 2B, and if B equals E, that means that A equals 2E, so that's false. D is definitely equal to C, because it doesn't matter which way around you write it. Is D equal to 2C? Well, no, because we know that D equals C. Is A equal to 2E? It is, because A equals 2B, which means that A equals 2E, because we know that B and E are the same. So that's true. One last question. Have a go in your own time. Is it true that A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals X? It's true. Correct. In case you're wondering, it doesn't matter that in the diagram it goes A, B, E, D, C, because it doesn't actually matter what order you do the vectors in, they always end up at the same place if you add the same ones together. Thanks for watching.